Instant garlic bread recipe. Take parsley and remove the leaves like this, or you can do it any way you want. I just showed this because this is a more easier way and it will be less time consuming. Now cut the parsley. Now grate 12 to 14 pieces of ginger. Now to a separate bowl, add your grated ginger. Chop parsley. Now add 2.5 teaspoons of butter. Add 1 spoon of oregano, 1 spoon of red chilli powder and mix them. Grate mozzarella cheese. Now to a plain bread, spread the garlic butter spread. Repeat the same procedure for how many ever garlic breads you want to prepare. Now take a tawa and put some butter on it. Spread the butter. Place the bread with the garlic spread on it. Add your grated mozzarella cheese. Cover it with a lid. Let it be on the cover until the cheese is melted and the bottom is a golden crispy color. Repeat the same procedure. And your garlic bread is now ready to serve. Cut them into pieces and sprinkle them with chili flakes and oregano, and it will be great. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.